Welcome to our channel, where we explore the most opulent and extravagant things in the world. Today, we'll dive into the world of extreme luxury with a movie about the most expensive things ever created. Let's start with the breathtaking yacht, History Supreme, known as the most luxurious and expensive yacht in existence. Designed by Stuart Hughes, this masterpiece is adorned with over 100,000 kilograms of gold and platinum. Can you imagine cruising the seas in a vessel valued at a mind-boggling $4.8 billion? Moving on to the luxurious residence called Antilia, located in Mumbai, India. Owned by Mukesh Ambani, this extravagant mansion is valued at an astonishing $2 billion. Antilia boasts 27 floors, featuring extravagant amenities like a private theater, multiple swimming pools, and a snow room. This architectural marvel redefines opulence and extravagance in every aspect, truly a sight to behold. Now, let's explore the skies with the Northrop B-2 Spirit, also known as the stealth bomber. With a cost of over $2.1 billion per aircraft, this remarkable piece of engineering showcases cutting-edge technology. The B-2 Spirit is designed to be invisible to radar and can fly virtually undetected, a true marvel of modern warfare. From lavish yachts to extravagant residences and advanced military technology, these are just a few examples of opulence. Join us as we delve deeper into the world of luxurious lifestyles and explore more awe-inspiring and costly creations. Our upcoming movie will showcase an array of extravagant vehicles, including rare cars and private jets worth billions. Prepare to be amazed by the pristine craftsmanship and unparalleled luxury of these incredible machines. Every scene in this film will transport you to a world where money knows no bounds. From diamond-studded smartphones to bespoke timepieces, we'll uncover the epitome of wealth and excess. Brace yourself to witness the most exquisite and exclusive objects money can buy. Stay tuned for the premiere of our movie, where we'll take you on a journey into a world of unimaginable riches. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.